whatever the reviews we have and what are the things we are going to discuss now. Okay, static testing techniques here means this static testing technique is nothing but it's a process of verifying are we developing the right system or not. I already told you means the definition of static testing nothing but verification. Here static testing is nothing but verification. I already delivered the definition, right? The same definition is nothing but static testing here. For validation part is nothing but dynamic testing. Okay. Yeah. Here reviews are nothing but examining or otherwise cross-checking. Project related work or process related work is called review. Okay, this just keep in mind this thing, static testing does not execute any code. You are not executing anything over here, just you are cross checking or examining a thing which they are developed. Okay, is that having as per customer or as per company norms they have developed or not. Okay, as per customer requirements he has developed or not, we are going to cross checking, that's it. We are not doing any testing over there, just we are reviewing. Okay, just keep in that mind, because while delivering something in front of the interviewer, if you are going to do in different way, if you are going to deliver in a different way, definitely you will find out that thing. You are not going to test anything in a static testing. Okay, because why I'm stressing like this means at that point of time you are going you are facing some confusion at that point of time.
Yeah,
just keep in that mind. Okay, this is the thing, reviews are nothing but just we are cross checking the things, that's it. Means we are seeing by our eyes. Okay, means we know that you should know about the standards first. Means if you want to verify the things, means you have to know about the standards. Okay, what the company norms and rules and regulations, what are the standards, what is the level of the company. If you want to maintain that level of the company, what are the standards we have to follow. If you know all those things, then only it is possible to review the particular documents. Okay, this is nothing but review part will come into picture. Means we have types of reviews: management review, technical review, formal review and informal review. Okay, management review is nothing but, okay, just read over here, this review will be conducted by top level or middle level management to monitor the project status. Nothing but project status means what are the slippages. Here slippages are nothing but the pending work, nothing but whatever the work you have slipped, nothing but you have means crossed or otherwise you have what we call in exacting means slippages are nothing but the deviation. Okay, the deviation between expected work to the actual work in a technical terms. Means today the schedule is you have to complete this much work. They will give target, right? 100% if they are giving the target, in the target you reached at just 80%. Means here the slippage is this 20%. Right, the pending work is nothing but slippage. Slippage is nothing but a pending work. Okay, here management in management review we have corrective actions. Corrective actions means there you have to, they are going to review the particular thing. After that they are going to give some instructions. Okay, you have to do some changes over here. You have to do some changes over here. Otherwise you have to modify these. And otherwise you have to follow like these functionalities, because means everything is not perfect in single shot, right?
Yeah.
In general only, just think in general way, means in everything is not perfect in a single shot or in a single delivery.
Correct, yeah.
Definitely, because you are developing the document as the things which you know. In the point of view, you are developing the particular document. The third person is the right person to decide you have developed according to the standards or not. Who knows about all the standards of the company?
Yeah.
Okay, we have two types of actions over there in management review, means preventive action and corrective action. Okay, preventive action is nothing but, okay, it is not repairable or otherwise it is not possible to correct after completion of the work. Means if you do some work, okay, if you are doing some work, okay, if you are some works can be correctable. Here preventive action means where means prevention. In a real time example, take it means as a born baby, they are going to give polio drops, right?
Sorry, what?
For born baby for 5 months or 5 years before 5 years, means below who are having below 5 years age. I am regarding about age. 5 years baby before means which are having 1 or 2, 3, 4 like that age having the baby. They are giving polio drops, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Why they are giving polio drops? If the polio will come into picture, it's antibiotic. It's means it's a preventive activity. And if the polio will come into picture, we are not going to rectify that thing, right?
Correct. Yeah.
For means that non-rectifiable things, we have to take some preventions.
Correct. Yeah.
There, the preventive activity is taking polio drops. Like that only, in the project point of view, there is having some situation that which are not recoverable. For that situation, we have to take some preventive actions.
Yeah.
That is the thing. That is nothing but preventive action. Corrective action is nothing but if they are doing any mistake, there may be a other thing to do some correction for that particular activity. Means nothing but it's a technical words. Okay, what you are seeing in the document is a repairable mistake. Means you can repair it. If you are going to face that mistake, you are going to repair it. But for preventive action, it's not possible to repair. Now, this is nothing but these are things. The deviation between planned effort to the actual effort is called slippage. Okay, I already discussed about that. Its daily project status or weekly project status meetings are called as management reviews. Means it will maybe it depends upon the company standards. Okay, they are going to conduct the reviews on daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. Okay, depends upon the company rules and regulations. Okay, some companies will follow daily basis. Some companies will going for weekly basis or monthly basis also. Okay, technical reviews. Here, technical reviews are nothing but it will be means technical things, implementation. Nothing but whatever the technical problems we may face in the project. Okay, whatever the technical documents we have. Okay, what is the documents are developed as per the standards or not? Okay, among the technical people. Okay, technical people will involve in this particular things. Means if you are going for management reviews, there is no thing or there is no discussion about the technical things. Just they will see they are following the standards or not. That's it. They don't know about any technicality. After that, if you are involving technical reviews, they will review the particular technical things and they will discuss among the technical people and they will decide that what are the things is going on and what should be. Means if it is increased like this, what is the thing will happen. Okay, is that particular better productivity is coming out of the project or not. Okay, they will discuss all those things and they will implement the things. The discussions will come in the technical reviews. Okay, if you go with the formal reviews, nothing but there is a process to review the particular thing. Means for reviewing or for cross-checking, you are following some rules and regulations. If you follow some rules and regulations to review something, that is called formal reviews. Formal reviews nothing but for reviewing you need some procedure, right? If you follow for reviewing the particular things, if you follow some rules and regulations at that point of time, that is called formal review. Just read it a sentence. If your review is carried out with a prior plan by following systematic procedures and prior documentation, then these reviews are called formal reviews. Nothing but these formal reviews will conducted in a scheduled way. Means before coming to the people who are going to do the review, they will give certain time and certain date. Okay, I will come on this day. On this time, I will come to the company to review these documents. Okay, they will decide that before coming to the people, we have to be ready with the documents. Okay, you got it right. In the companies, actually, the people will come to audit, right? To audit the documents, some people will come. Okay, means in a real-time example, I am telling you. Means take income tax rights. Okay, take income tax rights. Income tax rights, is there any prior intimation to you to write on the particular home or otherwise on particular person? they won't repeat any, I mean, they won't give any intimation to the particular person, right, to do the income tax, right?
Yeah,
That is nothing but informal review here. We have another review here, informal reviews. Informal reviews is nothing but without giving any prior intimation or without following any procedure. If you are going to review the things, suddenly he will come to the company, or he will come to your place and he will ask for the documents. That is called informal reviews. Okay, if you are going for formal reviews, what will come means they will give some time, some date, and on this day I will come to audit the particular documents. You have to be ready with that. Before that, they are going to give some intimation. So that is nothing but formal reviews. You got an idea what is the difference between formal and informal? In simple words, for reviewing the particular documents, if you are following some rules and regulations in a systematic way, that is called formal review. For reviewing the documents, if you are not going to follow any rules and regulations as you wish, if you are going to do that, that is called informal reviews. Okay, in simple words.
Yeah.
You got it right? Means in formal review, the author is BA, okay, he is going to send a request. After that, the moderator or nothing but inspection leader, nothing but the test lead most probably take this position. Okay, here reviewers are inspectors. Okay, these are third party persons. Maybe those are client representatives. Okay, do you have any doubt?
Yeah.
Here scribe or recorder is nothing but is going to make in that particular review meeting, he is going to take some notes.
Take a note.
Which means what is the going on and what are the things they did, what are the mistakes they did, and what are the corrections are there, and other things. From the starting to ending, he is going to write all the things. He will make a note of all the things. Okay, that is the name is, we are going to call in technical way, that is called as scribe. Okay, next, the author is nothing but who is going to write a document. The author is going to attend for that review, and the moderator and inspection leader is nothing but the main person who is going to lead that particular activity or otherwise lead that particular team. Okay, reviewer is nothing but participants of review process. Okay, here participants may be company people or client people. Okay, depends upon the situation. Okay, next, scribe is nothing but a person who is involving in recording the defects. Okay, there is nothing but scribe. These are in the meeting, these are the persons going to involve in that particular review meeting.
Okay.
Okay, this is nothing but formal review in simple words. Okay, means inspection and audit is the best examples for formal reviews. Inspection is nothing but in normal way, what is the meaning of inspection here? Any idea?
No, I have not.
Inspection is nothing but here take an examination. Okay, any examination is going on. At that point of time, some people will come, right?
Yeah.
Okay. At that point of time, they will check the rooms. Is that examination is going on in a proper way or not? That is nothing but inspection. Nothing but if your formal review is conducted while executing a task, means their exam is going on. It's a continuous activity, right? Like that, in a company, the project is going on. Okay. While the project is going on, while developing the application, the people will come to inspect the particular thing. That is called inspection. While executing some task, if you are testing that thing or reviewing that thing, that is called inspection. Audit is nothing but, okay, after completion of all the tasks, you are going to audit the things.
Yeah.
Okay, while you are developing the things, if you do some review activity, that is called inspection. After completion of that activity, if you are going to do some review, that is called audit.
So can you repeat?
Means if while the activity is going on, if you are doing some review on that, that is called inspection. After completion of this activity, if you do some review on that, that is called audit.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Okay, in simple words, I am telling you for your understanding. If you want to deliver in front of the interviewer, you have to deliver this statement exactly which you are seeing on the document.
Okay.
Okay, means first you have to understand, then only it is possible to deliver the technical terms, right?
Yes. Correct.
That's why I'm telling you with that examples. Okay, that is nothing but inspection and audit. Just informal review is nothing but what is the informal review is nothing but I told you already. Okay, without any procedure, without any formalities, without intimating the things, they are going to review suddenly. Okay, they won't go for any proper documentation for that. Okay, it may be in between the peers. In between the peers means nothing but peer reviews. Peers are nothing but colleagues, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is one of the review. Or code reviews. Code reviews are nothing but the code which you are starting. I told you in the first day itself, I think. Okay, you have to follow some standards to develop a script. Okay, first you have to declare the variables. After that you have to assign the values. Then you have to implement the business logic. Then you are going to report the things. After reporting, you are going to close the object. After that, you are going to kill the objects. This is the normal coding standards you have to follow. Like that standards they are following or not, they are going to review the coding standards. They are not going to execute the code. They are not going to check the code. Is that working fine or not? They will check the particular code is developed according to the particular thing or not. They are going to check it. That's it. They won't go for other things. There is no code execution part over there. Just they are going to check the code is developed as per the standards or not. That's it. That is called code reviews.
Okay.
Got it? Peer reviews. Peer reviews connected among the colleagues. I already told you peer reviews. What is peer reviews means? Okay. These are the things. Walkthroughs are nothing but knowledge transfer sessions. Are best examples for walkthroughs. A step-by-step representation conducted by the author to demo and expert about the subject. Here, subject is nothing but about the project. You got it right? Any doubts in this particular informal reviews?
Just the last bit where it says peer reviews. What exactly? What activities they going to?
Peer
I
reviews
can see objective.
One thing, you are doing one activity in your team and your friend is doing some other activity. Friend is nothing but colleague. Among your teams, 10 members or 5 members are there. If 5 members are there, nothing but you are cross-checking among yourselves. Means your work you are giving to your friend, nothing but your colleague, to review my work. And give your work to me, I will review your work.
It's cross-checking.
In simple words, cross-checking. Right? Understood, right? There is nothing peer reviews. Means among the team, you are reviewing your work, you are changing your work to other person, you are going to cross-check it. Is that working fine or not? In between you are going to check it. That is called peer reviews. Yes, this is the session today. Tomorrow we are going to start dynamic testing.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Same to you. Bye.